That's where the ellicombe chime used to be. It used to be in there. Sort of disconnected it now. Doing the inside of the church, it's unique.
Yes.
So it used to be there. They used to chime from there at one time. But they've disconnected it to that now. I'm just doing a history of our church. Yes. I'm just doing that window.
The church.
Yeah. I'm getting that window inside. I just need to look up at the window because it's my favourite clerestory.
Yes.
So it's that now. I need to reveal that window inside. So I'm under the tower in the kitchen now. It's where the bathroom and toilet used to be, but it's all changed now. Fantastic. So it's that now that does the bells. No. I'll do it again so people can see it. D-E-F-G-A. That's what operates the bells. And it plugs into there.
No, nothing like that.
That's where the kitchen is, where the chimes used to be, where I stood last time to play them. I used to play them from there. There used to be an ellicombe chime just there at one time. And that's the box there that does it now. But anyway, that's what they've done now, they've changed. Right.
Night number 1, showtime.
Might sound there actually. Toilets are there on that side now, they've moved them in the corner.
Stuart, have you finished the cake?
Yeah, Nick. I'm ready for you now, the bells. Yeah. Hang on, I'm going out now. Thank you. Ow. I'm going to hear the bells now, so we can put history about them. Right, I'm going to hear them. 5 bells. So we can talk about the history of them. People don't know they have them here, but I'm going to talk about them. Now they're going to ring soon, any time. Ooh, the bells, the bells. A very nice sound.
I'll be happy to help you with
Monica,
Did you like that then?
yeah, I wanted a few more songs from there so I can hear the...
Oh gosh,
From the
I'll
other...
play a few for you.
Brian,
Don't break a leg.
Brian, you gonna play them for me?
Sorry?
Do a few songs on there so I can see from the back.
Well, I'm just going to go anyway, so...
Brian, can you ring a bell for us?
Wait till I go outside for a while. Different music. Different music. Different music, please.
He's going to do it for you.
Yeah, from the other side, yeah. Plenty of music.
You what?
Plenty of music.
Right, he's going to do it for you now.
Yeah, a long time. Round the other side, thanks. I love the bells. They're beautiful. Oh, actually, I'll tell you what, I'll go down there actually, so I can hear it from the other side. Do it from the back. He's going to do it for you. Yep. I haven't heard them yet again. Okay. You're not doing them yet. Not doing anything yet. No.
Did you hear them, Stuart?
Not yet, I haven't heard them yet.
What do you mean you haven't heard them
No,
yet?
Brian said he was going to do me some as well. Yeah, I did heard a little bit, yeah.
Well, he rang them for you.
No, that was Monica, that, hopefully.
No, Brian rang them for you, love.
Alright,
I've the village wondering what's going on.
He's just going to play, another tune for you. He's just going to do another tune.
Long one, long tune from it. Sorry. sorry, I just need to, and then I'm going to have a go in a minute as well.
Well, you hear the better from here, won't you? Or is it? Well, up to you, yeah.
Why is it not as loud from this side?
Well, no, you're going to get more sound from here, would have thought.
Alright. Sorry. Yeah, no, you just... A long time, actually. Nice to hear them. Aye. Alright, if he did, he did. Pardon?
Two crows to stand around.
Alright.
So nice to see you, Stuart.
Alright, thank you. That's nice, isn't it? Pardon?
I don't know whether it stopped working, but he's pressing the bell, pressing them. Nothing's happening.
Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh. Not doing well. Andrew.
Did you hear them?
No, they have not worked.
Eh?
I didn't hear them.
You're joking.
I'm still on. Only heard a little tiny bit.
I've broken it.
No,
You
don't.
play them. Let me have a listen.
You put that's on you. That's all you do it up and down like that, and then you move that up. It's on. You have to go with that. Don't turn it sideways, will you? Do it round the tube. don't turn that off. I'm going to still do a little bit. It's still... Monica, can Andrew have a go?
Yeah.
The switched on. You haven't played
Can we
it.
just keep the door shut when you're coming in?
Alright, hang on, watch me. I just need to turn it on. So that's to turn it on. It wasn't turned on, that's why it wasn't playing the song.
What's it doing now?
Pardon?
Have you got it now?
Not yet. I'm going to get some more outside. Andrew, have a go. Would you like to have a go? Monica, can Andrew have a go, please?
What?
Can you just press them in nicely?
You're finishing shortly.
Yeah, I want to do a long one. Go and have about a 15-minute go so I can listen to them outside. Thanks. Right, do me now with the machine. It wasn't turned on, that's why I did that. My turn. What video me now having a go now?
That's enough for today.
You sure?
Yeah, they're all, they want some, they're shutting up now, but it finishes at 11:30.
That's because it wasn't turned on, hopefully. Andrew, can I come again with you? You know, if I'll get some more next time, hopefully. Now I know how to do it now. You just operate it and switch the light on. The light wasn't switched on.
Well, what do I do?